வணக்கம், welcome to our channel. 10th Standard Science, 1 mark question and answers, Lesson 9, Solutions. Choose the correct answer. A solution is a dash mixture. Answer option A, homogeneous mixture. The number of components in a binary solution is, answer option A, 2. In a binary solution is 2. Which of the following is the universal solvent? Answer option C, water. Water is the universal solvent. A solution in which no more solid can be dissolved in a definite amount of solvent at a given temperature is called, answer option A, saturated solution. Saturated solution. Identify the non-aqueous solution. Answer option D, sulfur in carbon disulfide. Sulfur in carbon disulfide. When pressure is increased at constant temperature, the solubility of gases in liquid. Answer option B, increases. The solubility of gases in liquid increases. Solubility of NaCl, that is sodium chloride, in 100 ml water is 36 gram. If 25 gram of salt is dissolved in 100 ml of water, how much more salt is required for saturation? Answer B, 11 gram. 11 gram. Yeah, 25% alcohol solution means, answer option C, 25 ml alcohol in 75 ml of water. 25 ml alcohol in 75 ml of water. Delucescence is due to, answer option A, strong affinity to water. Strong affinity to water. Which of the following is hygroscopic in nature? Answer option C, silica gel. Silica gel. Fill in the blanks. The component present in lesser amount in a solution is called dash. Answer solute. Solute. Example for liquid in solid type solution is, answer amalgam or mercury with sodium. Amalgam or mercury with sodium. Solubility is the amount of solute dissolved in dash gram of solvent. Answer 100 grams. 100 grams. Polar compounds are soluble in dash solvents. Answer polar solvents. Polar solvents. Volume percentage decreases with increases in temperature because of, answer because of expansion of liquid. because of expansion of liquid. Match the following. Column A and column B are given. In column A, questions are given and column B, answers are shuffled. We have to match correctly. In column A, blue vitriol, gypsum, reliquescence, hygroscopic are given. Let us see the answer. Blue vitriol, CuSO4 5H2O. Gypsum, CaSO4 2H2O. Gypsum, CaSO4 2H2O. Deliquescence, NaOH. Deliquescence, NaOH. Hygroscopic, CaO. Hygroscopic, CaO. True or false? If false, give the correct statement. Solutions which contain three components are called binary solution. Not three, two components. So answer false. Correct statement is solutions which contain two components are called binary solution. In a solution, the component which is present in lesser amount is called solvent. Answer false. Not solvent, solid. Correct statement is in a solution, the component which is present in lesser amount is called solute. Sodium chloride dissolved in water forms a non-aqueous solution. Answer false. It is aqueous solution. Correct statement is sodium chloride dissolved in water forms an aqueous solution. The molecular formula of green vitriol is MgSO4 7H2O. Answer false. The correct statement is the molecular formula of green vitriol is FeSO4 7H2O. FeSO4 7H2O. When a silica gel is kept open, it absorbs moisture from the air because it is hygroscopic in nature. Answer true. Silica gel is kept open, it absorbs moisture from the air because it is hygroscopic in nature. True. Thank you.